Alright, so I hope this video is gonna help all the other newbie traders seeking to cut their learning curve. So I just don't want my time and my hours that I put into researching a good stock trading simulator go in vain. Okay, so for this purpose I'm making this video so that you guys can see what different solutions we have to make sure that we don't lose money in this volatile market, right? So yeah, this thing is called Rapid SP, and it's actually yeah, oh holy shit, it sucks. So this thing is called Rapid SP. It costs $99. Contrary to this one, the other possible solution is Forex Tester 3, which only gonna cost you $78. Again, I'm making this video so that other people will not be wasting too much time looking for a good solution to mimic their trades. Okay, now what's the difference from paper trading, demo trading? These things allow you to fast forward past market data. Okay? So here it's actually playing much faster. TOS, Thinkorswim on-demand platform sucks in this regard because it doesn't let you move that fast through the day, through any day trading session. Okay, so well, this is still a cheap solution. I like it so far. The interface is a little bit, the look and feel is a little bit not visually appealing, but still, this platform looks pretty much like a good counterpart to Forex Tester 3, right? Looks good. This thing looks good enough. So I can place trades, I can move it. Okay, wait, the button plus necklace. Yeah, so this thing looks pretty legit. The only thing that I don't like is the visual interface. It's not visually appealing. So I can place trades. You can see here sell, buy. The big difference from, one of the biggest differences is that here Forex Tester was mostly designed with Forex in mind, okay? Hence it's called Forex Tester. So this was to test Forex pairs, and this is why it allows to import, not to import, it only allows you to buy and import tick data from the creator of the software, from the vendor. So you cannot import tick data from any third-party file. That is a kind of like a little bit disadvantage. But 1 minute data, starting from 1 minute data, you can generate ticks, you can generate bars, and it's gonna be working nicely. Yeah. So the lowest time frame you can import here is 1 minute. So if you have 1 minute data for stocks, for example, right? If you have 1 minute data for stocks, like here, for example, the back. Oh yeah, it's back already. Like in this case, we have back here, right? Bank of America. So 1 minute data will still be relayed, and you can fast forward, you can play around with it, you can tinker and mess around with it. Here you can download tick data, which is really nice. So if I have tick data, I can potentially run more stocks at a higher precision rate. Okay, let me see. Yeah, so this thing, it has volume. Looks nice so far. Expand horizontal. Oh, this is like the zoom in, right? This is the zoom in part. Looks like this is the zoom in. Yeah, you can draw these different things. You can draw trend lines like this. Volume studies, bottom studies, willing percent range. So the rest of the functionality regarding the indicators is pretty much similar to Forex Tester. You can slap on any indicator, any popular indicators. All of that crap that this Forex teaching industry throws on us, right? Simple moving average, VDA moving average, all kinds of different things. They probably even have Fibonacci. Yep. What else is there? That's the zoom in. That's the zoom out. Oh yeah, this is how you zoom in. I see. Scroll right. Program paused, press continue. Program paused, press continue. Now I just downloaded this thing, so I don't really know how to hold on a second. Yeah, so this is the OHLC bar, price styles, 3-line break, Kagi, Renko. I don't really use that stuff. I just use regular candlesticks. Yeah, so this is pretty much another legit viable solution. If you want to download tick data and if you want to fast forward, again, Thinkorswim, despite its amazing charting capabilities, it sucks because it only allows you to fast forward the seconds. So 1 minute candle will be running in 20 seconds, right? So 60 seconds, you can speed run it to at most 20 seconds, which still takes a lot of time to day trade an entire session. But with this thing, you can actually fast forward and replay. The biggest advice I can give you guys when you start messing with these trading simulators is that you have to take trades seriously. You have to really just kind of trick yourself into believing that this is a real trade happening. Okay? This is a real trade happening, and so you have to just pause and think and reflect and be like, okay, what am I doing here? So I'm just playing around. So let's turn it on at 4 times the speed. Okay, chart 4, daily E-mini Nasdaq futures. Hold on a second, let me pause it and let's see if this one's gonna run smoothly. Okay. This thing is not moving, strangely. Strangely enough, this thing is not moving. Okay, we don't need it. So let's see. Okay, one thing that I see here is that it's perhaps the 5 minute is not moving as fast as I wish. Okay, let me replay it again. Oh wait, it's actually moving. Yeah, so I can do multi-time frame analysis, right? See, it's moving. The day is about to end. Stop, rewind. I would like to trade this day again. Save my chart. Close all my outstanding trades. Save my trades in a log file. I'd like to trade this day again. Yeah, so you can rewind it. Yeah, so if you want to, again, I'm just repeating myself. If you want to get this, if you want to be getting high quality data, like starting from the tick data, if you want to get this high quality tick data, and if you want to see the best quality of charts, and if you want to play with it, then definitely this is probably a better solution. Yeah, you see all the 4 charts are moving simultaneously. Yeah, so this is another viable solution out there. Okay guys, I'm gonna pause this video. Thank you and trade safe.